In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two products on Shopify. Whether you're looking to bundle items for a promotion or simply wish to streamline your inventory, combining products effectively can enhance your sales strategy and improve customer experience. To begin, log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the Products section located on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking there will lead you to a list of all your existing products. Here, you can view each product's details and make the necessary adjustments to combine them. Start by selecting the first product you wish to combine. You'll see a detailed view, including its title, description, pricing, inventory, and more. What you're going to do is make a note of all these details because a new product will eventually combine the features of both existing ones. Next, return to the product list and select the second product. You want to jot down its attributes too. This might include pricing, variants, or specific options that are unique to this item. With the details from both products on hand, it's time to create a new product that combines the best elements of each. Head back to the main products page and click the Add Product button, usually found near the top right of the screen. This will open a blank product page where you can enter the details of your new combined product. Begin by crafting a product title that clearly communicates what the combined product is all about. You might incorporate parts of both original titles to ensure clarity for potential buyers. Next, move on to writing a compelling product description that describes the new combined product. This is where you can highlight why these two items work so well together, any special features, and how customers can benefit from this unique offering. Setting the price is your next task. When combining products, consider the sum of their individual prices and whether any discounts should apply. This is particularly crucial if the combined product is part of a promotional bundle. Input this pricing information into the respective field. You'll then want to adjust the inventory settings to reflect the combined quantities and availabilities. This step is vital to ensure that your stock levels are accurate and prevent overselling. If your products have variants, like size or color, be sure to create the necessary variants for this new product combination. Finally, once all fields are filled out, add images that showcase the combined products together. Visual appeal can make a significant difference in capturing customer attention, so make sure your images are high quality and clearly demonstrate what the buyer will receive. After reviewing all your inputs for accuracy, click Save Product to set your changes live. With that final click, your newly combined product is ready for your Shopify store, offering your customers an exciting new option. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more Shopify tips.